4. I'm on the phone again with my best friend Lee. Say hi, Lee.
Hi.
And I'm starting this vlog really late because I've been talking to her on the phone. I also decided that I'm not gonna look like a Lee. She just watched my YouTube video and she said, you look like a cat on, what'd you say?
I think Prozac or something.
Yeah, a cat on Zoloft. And she is so right. That's exactly what I look like. I'm gonna like pick up around here, finish editing one YouTube video I just posted on Instagram. Let me show you because it's really cute. I'm gonna get ready because I want to film a couple TikToks. I'm hungry though, so I'm gonna make a sandwich really quick. I haven't eaten anything yet. The sandwich is roast beef, salami, and smoked Gouda. And this bread, it's the very last 2 pieces. They're the end pieces, but I actually kind of like end pieces, and mustard. Cheddar garlic focaccia bread.
Oh my gosh, that sounds so good.
I was gonna do just like a cute little like brush your teeth montage. Let me just show you what kind of psychopath I'm married to. Who does this to the toothpaste? How does this even happen? Let's confront Matt tonight when he gets home and see like, what? How? You just like put it on your toothbrush. Tiny bit of makeup on. I've been looking real rough in these, and so I thought I owed it to you guys to stop looking so rough. I'm going to edit this vlog, and the people have let me know that I have some packages in, so I'm gonna go pick those up. I'm pretty sure they're just what Matt's mom sent us, which was stuff that couldn't fit in his truck, so that's gonna be fun whenever we leave, right? We had no room for the ride up, so how are we gonna have room for it the next place we go? But it was stuff I needed, and it's really expensive to send. It's ridiculous. Pretty sure a lot of it is hangers, which is great because we can finally put our clothes up. I'm gonna edit this video, pick up those, and then I'm gonna sit down and think of what TikToks I'm gonna film, and I'm gonna film some TikToks. My video is finally done editing, so I'm gonna do the dishes really quick before Matt gets home, go pick up my package, and then start on the TikToks. I know that there's one that I want to do and I already know what I'm doing for it. I need to do 2 others. I'm not sure what to do yet. I don't feel like doing the dishes. Look at this. I hate doing the dishes. Fun fact. Who really enjoys it though? I'm sure there are some people out there who might. To get this clothes situation remedy. Look at this. It's a nightmare. I'm kind of getting really hungry. Also, I've noticed as I'm doing the vlogs, I'm not very good at multitasking, like looking at the camera and doing something at the same time. Also, before I forget, it's time for our Christmas tree time. Oh, I almost forgot my phone. That would be bad because I still haven't memorized the code for the door. I'm scared that when I get up there, it's gonna be like so many big packages. It costs her $200 to ship all of that stuff. I'm not gonna be able to carry it all if it is. So I'm pretty sure that these are hangers. The box like threw me off though. It says food, so I was like, did I sign up for a food campaign and not notice? This was $54 to ship this box. It's not even that heavy. Woohoo! Hanger! Little YouTube magic there. I'm getting really frustrated trying to make this TikTok. I'm about to watch like a TikTok tutorial really quick. And I've made TikToks before, so I'm like, well, why can't I figure this out right now? How to adjust how long a clip is on TikTok. It's gonna be like so simple, I bet.
Alright everyone, TikTok.
I did it! I figured it out. Oh my gosh, it's uploading now. I'm so excited. Oh, this is just a great day. So I need to do 2 more TikToks. That one was really easy. I didn't really have to film anything for it, but I made a promise to myself, so I'm gonna try to keep my promise. Do 2 other TikToks today. Let me show you my TikTok.
My husband is
Just click the phone wanting the camera to focus on the phone instead of clicking it from the viewfinder. That's funny that I just did that. Hold on, we gotta start this over. I messed everything up. Okay.
How my husband takes photos of me now.
So I just made this really quick for my YouTube thumbnail, but I wanted to show you, they even have like the dimensions like already down. All you have to do is just under templates type in YouTube thumbnail and it'll come up. It's the best. I use it for like everything. Matt had a good day at orientation, didn't you, babe?
Kind of stressful this morning, but it got better.
Yeah, hi, he's the most relieved I've seen him since he's been going to work. You were stressed.
Break nurse here. A break nurse? What's that?
Yeah, back where we're from in Florida, there's no such thing as break nurses or any stuff like
It's
that.
weird because like it's just weird how it's set up different.
I'm hungry. I still have 1 more TikTok to make though, but I've made 2 so far. I love these carrots. Tonight for dinner is this thing I make where it's the last of everything we have left in the refrigerator and I throw it all together and it's basically like a dinner of sides. On tonight's menu, we have garbanzo beans, these petite carrots, which I love. They're so good. Guess where they're from? Trader Joe's. And these potatoes. So it's a little starchy, but it's okay.